Guys, Bitcoin saw a massive reversal in a couple of days within the last week from our lows of the $57,000 level. As you guys know, we expected a 20 to 30% correction from our all-time highs, just looking at the USDT dominance and also at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, and also just what was happening in the market in general, looking at funding fees and so on. And we have seen that correction not quite play out as aggressive as it could have been, because we pretty much only exactly reached the 20% correction level. As you know, everything below that, everything between the 20 to 30% correction level, I wanted to use to build up some swing long positions, but Bitcoin actually recovered very, very quickly from these lows within the mid $50,000 levels. And as you guys know, after my video, I immediately also updated you in my exclusive content here on Levex, where I posted that I'm keeping an eye on this small uptrend channel here, and that this uptrend channel will be the deciding factor if we are going to see on the daily time frame a retest of our horizontal resistances and also a potential play out of the falling wedge that we have here on the bigger time frames for Bitcoin on the daily, which we now also broken out to the upside. I will talk about how we can see if this is a confirmed break or not in a second. But this was one thing that we were keeping an eye on, and I really have to say, as soon as we broke here to the upside out of this uptrend channel on the smaller time frames, on the 1 hourly to be exact, as you can see here, we directly saw a massive run up without a big stop actually in between for the following 2 days. So now the question remains, is this now the breakout that will bring us to the $100,000 level finally for Bitcoin? Or do we need to expect here Bitcoin just to potentially form a double top on the bigger time frames with the resistance of the USDT dominance coming in sooner or later, and also with what is playing out on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, because this is going to give us a very important signal within the upcoming 1 to 2 weeks. Besides that, as always, I would highly appreciate it if you would smash up a like on today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. Also leave a comment down below. And guys, quick reminder, if you actually want to use the information from my videos, if you also want to do trades just like myself, if you're doing that already, congratulations to you. I hope so you do that, because trading is a thing that you definitely need to learn before you get into deep first, that's for sure. So for all the people that are actively trading out there, guys, I have a massive bonus for you on Levex, by the way. You get $5,000 just for signing up and doing your first deposit. Up to $5,000, your first deposit will be matched with a free long short position with the same value. So if you deposit $5,000, you get a 5,000 free long short position. You can just place it on any trading pair completely for free. You can try out the platform, and if you like it, you can continue trading on Levex, or you just move back to your old exchange and you can withdraw your $5,000 again. But guys, keep in mind that you don't only get access with this affiliate link to this free long short position. No, you also get access to my exclusive content where I can update you about stuff. You are a part of my tournament. You can join my monthly tournament. As you can see here, we have a total of $15,000 in prizes each and every single month. There's one tournament going on right now. It's still a monthly one for May. Actually, next week, or till the end of this week, it will be possible that you guys are also joining actually the ongoing tournament here. So yeah, that's very important, because right now only 60 people are participating. We already have one for July as well. There you can join also already. So make sure you make use of that, because it's $15,000 in prizes. The more people that trade actively in the tournament, the bigger tournament amounts I can actually negotiate for you guys. And I mean, keeping in mind that the top people are actually here receiving by volume $3,500, $1,700. So there's really hundreds of dollars on the line for each and every single one out there. I mean, by P&L again, hundreds or thousands of dollars, and by P&L percent. So even if you're not a big trader, even if you just make some nice percentage gains, you can get up to $1,000 each and every single month, 500, 200. It's really a big benefit for everyone out there. And for the big volume traders also, it's so much, guys. 20% reduced fees. That's also one thing you get for free for my links. So thank you for supporting, but I definitely want to make sure that our tournament gets more and more users, because we can just scale up the leaderboard prices each month. And the more people take part, the more prizes are available for everyone, which I think is always a great thing. But looking at the USDT dominance now, yes, we have seen somewhat of a recovery pump, right? And right now, if Bitcoin is continuing here to pump to the upside, and what are we always waiting for? I mean, we are waiting for confirmation of the breakout. I mean, we have this falling wedge over here, right? We saw now a breakout above the downwards sloping resistance. We see a retest on the daily. Now we want to wait till a daily candle actually closes above our old high points, because what is this signaling us? This is signaling us actually that there is interest in buying these price levels even after we have reached them once, but especially these are buyer levels that the people are interested in buying after we saw here the retest. So actually the bulls are valuing this breakout, they are valuing this retest with volume, and this is going to be displayed by the volume candle, but also by the daily candle closing above our old high points. And this is a scenario where you could potentially be looking out for a scalp long opportunity. I think for swing long positions, this is not quite enough of a significant correction from the all-time high. It would have been between the 20 and 30% level. But as you know, that we are breaking here to the upside, and especially that we are reaching new all-time highs, and we are just not forming here potentially a beautiful double top. I mean, this is really dependent on what is going to happen on the USDT dominance chart, but also on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, because as already said, if we pump here a little bit, the dominance will fall. If we see a rejection and we don't fall below this USDT dominance upward sloping support here on the monthly for the first time in any bull market, while each of these green arrows here as well as the red one perfectly always told us when the price is going to correct once again for at least 20% or up to 30%, then we need to be very careful here, because as long as we are not actually breaking the support to the downside, it is not unlikely that Bitcoin will just form a top here at a similar price point again, because also the Ethereum Bitcoin chart is still showing us that, I mean, in the history we also called the top, right? And I mean, we closed all of our swing long positions above the $56,000 level. Why? Because of the USDT dominance chart, because of the high funding fees, and because of the Ethereum Bitcoin chart breaking to the downside, and also us having a lot of crucial resistance on the monthly time frame, right? Everything came in together here at this point. We had the two all-time highs connecting beautifully with each other as resistance. We had the 11-year support and resistance on the weekly and monthly coming in as resistance. We had, as already said, the USDT dominance signaling us a top, the Ethereum Bitcoin chart signaling us a top, and the funding fee being extremely high. This is why we closed all of our swing long positions at that time already, which so far was a good decision, because right now we would have just paid funding fees over and over again while the price is going down. So this is also why I need to look out for new swing long entry opportunities right now, because I don't have any swing long entries in the market right now. But besides this, I mean, the Ethereum Bitcoin chart broke also to the downside, signaled us also a perfect correction here on Ethereum also. Every time we have seen this Ethereum Bitcoin chart break down, we have seen a significant up to 60% correction actually in the Ethereum chart. And what we are seeing right now is that potentially, if Bitcoin is not able to use this current breakout on the weekly time frame for significant bullish recovery within this week or next week, we could see actually the Ethereum Bitcoin falling below our downward sloping support here. And this downward sloping support is forming a beautiful falling wedge. In the last run-up, this falling wedge actually broke to the upside successfully. So when we saw the last time such a falling wedge, it was over here on the smaller time frames. Yeah, at the very beginning, when Ethereum was just pretty much launched for a year, we also saw that, but we broke to the upside. So in this case, I'm definitely keeping an eye on here this exact price level for the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, which is the 0.047 to 0.048 level per Bitcoin, per Ethereum cost in Bitcoin. And if we fall below this on the weekly, this could definitely signal us that this correction was not over yet, and we still need to expect these 30%. So these are the things that I'm keeping an eye on. I will keep you updated in my YouTube videos. I will keep you updated completely for free in my exclusive content here on Levex. You can just find it in the sidebar. If you register on Levex with my link, with the link in the video description, you can just go down below. You just sign up with my affiliate link. You're supporting me by that. You get 20% reduced fees. Your first deposit is matched up to $5,000 with a free long short position. And if you just click here at the very top next to your profile and you open up the sidebar, you can go here to exclusive content and you will see my posts completely for free. You can also see my user profile, for example, so you can follow my trades. If I have any live trades open, I can display them here. And besides this, I mean, as already said, you have also the tournaments here with the public ones from Levex itself, and also with my affiliate link. If you are signed up with my affiliate link, exclusively access to my next month, to my monthly leaderboard. You can already join the one for the next month, and there's one already going on that you will be able to join, although it's already ongoing, within the next 2 or 3 days. So make sure you can sign up already. You make use of your free long position. It's $5,000 completely for free, and maybe you make some nice profits with it already. And if not, no money is lost. You just tried out the platform. You were able to get access to my exclusive content. You were able to get access to my reduced fees I mean, I'm giving back 20% of the affiliate commission that I receive from you guys back to you to give you the maximum amount of affiliate feedback that you can get on any exchange. Plus, I mean, with the VIP system, you get so quickly such high feedbacks. I mean, 48%, 55%. You will have on Levex, if you are actively trading, the lowest fees in the market in a very, very short amount of time. And on top of that, you have all the benefits of the tournament and stuff that I'm offering to the community. So thank you guys for supporting. I really appreciate it. And now we're going to see us in the next video. Till then, bye bye.